the maiden voyage of the Royal Coffee vacuum coffee maker. Wow, that flame is really big. May have to pull that wick down some. I'm not sure it's ever been used.
Legendary Allman Brothers there in the Midnight Rider. More of CT's Vintage Brunch in a couple of minutes, right here on Peoria's CT 99.9.
Peoria's CT 99.9. Streaming at wwctfm.com, on the iHeart app, and on your smart speaker when you use Alexa to play WWCT.
If you're like me, hair isn't just hair, because hair is confidence, hair is identity, hair is everything, and I love that
We've got genuine Guatemalan coffee too that my son brought me from, obviously, Guatemala. Hopefully this turns out good. That one more. Ooh, I think I hear it bubbling.
is working.
Find out, I'm recording. Working.
Yeah, there's water going in
Yeah.
there.
I think that see,
That's
needs
boiling.
there needs to be a vacuum. So this is that really needs to be tight. It's supposed to be a vacuum seal. There we go.
It's boiling. Water.
close the thing.
Turned off the.
Yeah, so the handle snaps down. I'm not sure if that's what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, it's going down. It's going down.
But I don't know if all the water got out of the tank or not.
Did you have a specific amount of water you had to put in there?
I just filled it. I put 3 cups in, so the right side holds 3 cups.
Is that going down? Yeah, it is. Slowly going down. Yeah, I think it's going down.
I was reading, and apparently this was like a standard coffee making device in most of the 1800s in most homes that made coffee.
Wow.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
You had
For electricity.
You had fuel for sure. Well, might be done.
Yeah.
Well, let's see here. See how it goes. And so that cuts the vacuum just cut free.
Mm-hmm.
Should be some,
Isn't coming out?
unless it's completely vacuum locked, so it can't. So I have a suspicion. I wonder if I need to untap the top. This still has water in it, though. Well, let's see if I. No, that won't. I gotta put some pull on that.
Oh, something's coming out. Yeah.
I had to bust the vacuum.
Yeah.
How about that?